Hi, I'm Bobby. Today I'm going to show you how to tune up your bike so it's ready for the riding season. First, you're going to want to make sure that there's no cracks or rust. So let's just do a quick check here. And it looks all good. So next, you're going to want to make sure that the seat is nice and tight and that it can't move around or anything. And also, you're going to want to make sure that it's the right height for you or your child. So next, you're going to want to inspect your spokes and your tire to make sure there are no broken spokes, and make sure your tire isn't flat like mine is. Alright, so next, if your tires are inflated, then you can move on to the next step. But if you're unlucky like me, then you're going to have to fill them up. Alright, so next we're going to want to check the brakes to see if they're working. So to check the brakes, you're going to want to squeeze your handbrake here. And then without pedaling or anything, you're just going to push the brake. And then if your tire doesn't move as you're pushing your bike, then your brake is working. Let's test the front one now. And now you see how the tire's moving? That's not good. That means it's broken. So, before you panic, there's a couple little tweaks you can do before you have to get a new brake. It all involves a wrench. Alright, so now with your wrench, there's a few little bolts here that you want to tighten. Sometimes those can get loose by, going on bumps and stuff. And that is what can cause your brakes to not function properly. Now that the bike's all checked, all that's left is to go for a ride.
Like if you found this video useful, and if you'd like, consider subscribing.